Alam nyo, tingin ko hindi natin matatapos itong vlog today. So, maybe tomorrow ko na matatanim yung pumpkin seed. Hello! Si Liz po ito, and today is my day off, and I'm planning to start my week by planting another kind of seed, which is pumpkin seed. Soak muna natin itong pumpkin seeds for about 4 hours. Odi!
Habang hinihintay natin uminom itong pumpkin seed, papakita ko sa inyo yung update ng chrysanthemum for the second week. By the way, ito na yung grape seed. May isa nang tumubo. Ayan siya. And yung itong chrysanthemum, nag-iiba ng design ng dahon niya. And yung update ko last time, iba palang plant yun. May tumubong extra plant. Ito pa yung ibang chrysanthemum. Ito, kinumpul ko. Tatlo yan, tatlong pots na nakakumpul. Tapos may isang inisa-isa ko, and I think mas maigi itong isa-isa kasi mas nakapahinga sila. Although, okay din naman sila itong kumpul.
So, kanina, habang waiting ako sa pumpkin seed, nagdilig muna ako ng halaman. And tumawid din ako sa kapitbahay. Diniligan ko rin yung flowers nila kasi pwede siyang pitasin, gawing tsaa. Ito siya. Ito, ang ganda ng flowers. Para siyang star pag bumuka siya. And then, ito yung blue pea. Bigay ng kapitbahay.
Alam nyo, tingin ko hindi natin matatapos itong vlog today. So, maybe tomorrow ko na matatanim yung pumpkin seed. And
Good morning. This is the second day of the week, but it's actually first day of our week, which is Tuesday. Monday is our day off. So, before we start, we will breakfast. We are here at the breakfast. Usually, it's dim sum and lugaw. And the breakfast area is along the highway. I'll show you.
so that's the highway. It's actually near our place. And this is the breakfast. They serve this kind of coffee and with tea. This is their lugaw. They call it katong. Katong job. If means pork. So ito ang pinili naming dim sum. Siyempre automatic to gulay. Ayan. Ayan mga pinili naming dim sum. Kain tayo. Yung malipit na sauce. Ito siya. Napakasarap. Guys, ang ganda ng grape seed ko. Ang ganda. Tapos may isa pang tumutubo. Pag mainit, alagaan nyo lang siya sa tubig. Ito na, umpisa na natin magtanim ng pumpkin seed. So, first, itong mga natirang soil ng chrysanthemum, i-refill ko yan para magamit ko rin sa pumpkin. And then the rest, lalagyan ko rin. Itong pumpkin seed, ito yung pinaka tip, diba? So itatanim nyo siya pag ganyan. Ito na siya. Tada! So sa pumpkin seeds, one time nyo lang siyang lalagyan ng water until mag-generate kasi mas nag-generate siya sa warm temperature or sa warm weather. Dinagdagan ko siya ng konting soil para pag nilagyan ko ng water in case na lumubog yung soil, at least may extra soil on top.
Hi guys, today is Wednesday and I just woke up and let's see what is happening now at the kitchen area. So ito yung side ng house namin, bundok siya. And then yan, there you go. They are fixing the roof kasi hi Dad, good morning. Nice. Why? Dito kasi sa lugar namin, it's either super araw or madalas umulan, kaya kailangan i-secure namin yung roof around our house. Good morning guys, and today is Friday and it's the second week of my chrysanthemum and grape seeds. I'll show it to you later. And I think it's third day of my pumpkin seed. Ito naman guys, yung grape seeds ko, tumubo na. Akala ko isa lang ang tutubo, pero tumutubo siya. 4 na sila, 1, 2, 3, 4. When, ano ba? You don't like me to vlog? Ay! When, show yourself. He's so pogi na. Tapos, etong chrysanthemum team ko, ililipat ko din siya sa ibang pot later on. And then, ito yung pumpkin seeds. Nagulat ako kasi I thought something went inside the soil and then pinupush pataas yung soil, pero actually it's the pumpkin starting na siya to generate. Ayun na, nakikita nyo, pinupush niya yung soil, yan, umaangat yung soil. So let's see later. Interviewin natin si Wooty. So, Wooty will put cement sa sides ng bahay. Daddy, what are we gonna do to our pumpkin seeds and grapes? We don't have enough space. What is your plan? Huh? Where? Here? Oh, the vine. Japanese pumpkin kasi yun eh. So, talagang kakaririn na namin yung pagpa-plant kasi it helps. Eto, sayang yung papaya tree pero lumalaban siya. Actually, papaya to ni grandma pero kami ang kumukuha ng bunga. May kumakain sa pinaka-root niya. Ayan o. I don't know kung nakikita nyo. Pero, may fruits pa rin siya. Ayan. Ang sarap ng fruits niyan. Nawala si Daddy. Umiwas. Nag-nosebleed na ata. Nasaan siya? Ayun! Umiiwas ka, Daddy ah. So, guys, hanggang dito muna. Again, please click like and subscribe to our channel. And have a good day. Thank you for watching.